Hi, today I'm doing a deep clean of my refrigerator using non-toxic items. I have my white distilled vinegar and baking soda, and I have some lemon essential oils to use. So keep watching if you'd like to see the inside of this fridge. It's not pretty, but by the end of the video, it will be.
Always alone. You will always be there.
After I get done using some of my cleaning products, I hope that it looks a whole lot better. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take equal parts water to equal parts vinegar. So I'm just going to take 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to be putting it in my spray bottle. Then 1 cup of vinegar. That's not working. And then just a couple drops of lemon. And that is an all-natural cleaner to use in my fridge and other places. I'm also going to be making a paste using baking soda and vinegar, but for now, I just wanted to have this ready. Now I'm going to empty out my refrigerator.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
This isn't that bad because I had containers in there, but yep, could use a good scrubbing. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the paste, and I'm gonna start with a cup of baking soda. Put that in my bowl. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of vinegar in here. Making nice bubbles. Grab a spoon and mix it around. Need a little bit more vinegar. Okay, so there's some spots in my fridge where I have maple syrup. Definitely layer this on that spot to help take it off. And there's a few other spots in my fridge that could use some extra help. There's the maple syrup. I'm gonna just put this on all my trouble areas. Okay, so I have it at all my major trouble areas. So if you look inside my top shelf here, it's got this blue stain, it's got different types of stains on there. So I'm just gonna put some of this in here. So I can scrub away at it after. Same with the Next drawer down. I'm gonna let the paste set for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna work on the drawers that are right here first. I'm gonna clean those out so that they're ready to go, and then I'll wipe this all down. Okay, I'm gonna start tackling these tough spots. Spray a little extra vinegar to get those bubbles going again. And a sponge. And here we go. Maple syrup. Create some bubbles. Oh, if you want to know how I kept my refrigerator open like this, comes in handy when you have a dog and you can use a dog leash. Alright, so my fridge is cleaned for the most part. I'm just going to take some water and a cloth and just really rinse out all the vinegar and everything. So that's what I'll do next. Okay. Okay, and with that, my fridge is so much cleaner than it was a half hour ago. So this was a really quick clean using all natural products. And all my stains are gone and it smells fresh. So now I'm gonna put my food items back in the fridge, go grocery shopping, and restock this baby up. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.